Okay, so this is the product here, minus the camera. I just want to show you what I use it for. And these threads fit perfectly with my camera here. So let me take this off. And there's two of them, and they move around. So there's some different things you can do with it. I specifically use it for this. But there's two of these, so if you have some type of, you can hook up a camera here, and there's different things you could probably hook up on here. You can hook up lighting, microphone, also up here too. This piece comes off and on and moves around, and there's probably different attachments for your lighting and your mics and all that you can hook up. I don't use that. I have not used a phone holder. You'd have to get one and figure out the right size that works for that. And you also can hook it up to a tripod, which I use it in handheld mode. So this is what I use it for. And it works great. Keeps everything nice and smooth. And it's a lot better than using something like this right here where you're holding, you still have more shake. So this smooths everything out. It's really comfortable, really light. Works well for me. And you're going to have to see what you want to hook up to it. And everybody will be different, but I just want to share with you what works for me. If you kind of have a similar idea, like, hey, I want to hook up one camera to it, well, that's where you do it. So I hope this helps, and you have yourself a great day.